Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're replacing 11 Pro Max LCD screen. So make sure the phone is turned off and then go for the first two screwdrivers with the star screws. Take and screw those ones, keep them aside in order. And then what we do, we use a heat gun or a hot plate. Just hit the screen off. Next, just you can use a surgery blade to just make an opening from the bottom of the screen next to the charging port, and then just slide it. The screen will just pry off by itself. So what we do, same thing so we start from the bottom, go towards the top, and then just from the top we'll just shake the screen off a little bit. Should just loosen. So there we go. So now we're going to use the triangle screwdriver. We're going to remove these 6 screws. So we're gonna have to disconnect the battery first. It's just disconnector. You can use a prying tool or and then we're going to remove the face side, the earpiece flex, just disconnected, and then the touch and the LCD connector from the motherboard. Take off the screen. So now we're gonna just remove this earpiece flex. So again, we're gonna just hit it so it loosens the it should just come off. You can lift off with the plastic. If you have to take off the screws. Just heat it up a little more. Should just come off now. There we go. So here we go with the new screen. So just dust earpiece if the new screen doesn't have this, you can just take off from the old screen, put it back here, and then we install the screen again, the earpiece onto the new screen. Put screw the 3 screwdrivers. Make sure when you take off the screws, you put them in order so it's easier for you to put them back in the same area as you take it off. So now we just go ahead and connect the LCD touch screen connectors first. If it doesn't connect, don't force it, just wiggle around, it should connect by itself. Just apply a little bit force only. Then lastly you do the earpiece connector. Then lastly at the end you connect the battery. Then we get to put this small shield. So we put the screen back now. From the top, just plug it in, and then just one step at a time. Put the last 2 screws. There we go. XS Max screen completed. There we go. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.